So friends, to solve this mathematical expression, we follow the V board mass rule, which dictates the order of operations. V stands for vinculum. As you can see, A minus B and the numbers over the bar, this is the vinculum bar. And then brackets, a first small brackets, curly bracket and then square bracket. That order wise. O stands for off, means multiplication, and then after division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we'll just break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Solve for the vinculum bar. So the bar is 23 minus 23. There is a bar. So equals to 0. Now the expression becomes 23 minus square bracket 23 minus curly braces 23 and then minus 23 minus 0. Now bracket off. Now step 2, solve for the parenthesis, round brackets. Inside the round brackets we have a 23 minus 0. So we'll get 23 as our answer. Again the expression becomes is 23 minus square bracket 23 minus curly braces 23 minus 23. Now bracket off. Now step 3, solve for the braces. Curly braces here is 23 minus 23. Now after subtracting you will get 0. So now again the expression becomes is 23 minus square bracket 23 minus 0. Now for solve for the square brackets. Inside the square brackets we have a 23 minus 0. So equals to 23. Now expression becomes 23 minus 23 and final subtraction you will get 0. By strictly following the V board mass hierarchy starting from the innermost bar for moving the outward through the brackets. And the final result is 0 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.